Hi, I'm Lisa and welcome to the LV ReLoved channel. Together we'll explore the everlasting beauty of vintage Louis Vuitton. Right here we'll learn all about the history of Louis Vuitton. We'll uncover rare styles. We'll learn how to care for our LV, how to keep it lasting for more generations. We have a library of modeling shots where you can see how the bags look while worn. LV ReLoved has everything you need to make an informed purchase to ensure that you have the perfect for you, authentic Louis Vuitton. And you can also purchase at lvreloved.com. We offer sales and consignment services, all items authentic and come with receipts or authenticity paperwork. Each week I'll bring you a brand new video. Make sure to subscribe so you can be the first to know. Comment below to say hello, and I'll be seeing you soon. Bye.